Okay, Khabar, I hope you all are doing absolutely great. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy that you clicked this video. Thank you. Okay, today's video is little chaotic because I have shot a little part of it on the day I was vlogging. If you have watched my last vlog, you would know that. But ऐसा हुआ था ना कि when I was editing the vlog, it was coming out a little long. That is why I thought I would cut this part out. So for today's video, it is just me reflecting back on 2020, setting up intentions for 2021 and sharing a few moments and highlighted events of 2020. You know, just trying to make peace with it. So yeah, I actually kind of wrote a passage on 1st of Jan and I thought I would read it to you, and I hope it is not boring. It is a best way for you to know how I feel. So yeah, okay. Dear 2020, I'm sorry that everyone is blaming you. And I know I did too, but soon realized you gave me so many things to be grateful for. I have my education, income, a beautiful family, a group of amazing friends, and so many happy memories. Yet, I feel some form of disappointment or regret for missed opportunities. To be very honest with you, sometimes it felt like life is slipping through my fingers like sand, and all I can do is sit and watch. I feel like I have lost myself a little this year and yet discovered a lot more. The lockdown at the start gave me time to be with my family, to take care of myself, and everything touched was quite happy. But soon the summer passed and cold winter crawled in. I felt like I was getting into a black hole of demotivation. This year, I found myself overthinking everything. I also realized that everyone has their own demons to face. You can't really tell by face who is just merely trying to afloat in this journey called life. You showed me both sides of the coin. So thank you for being the brightest silver lining in a cloudy life. I have grown myself more than ever this year. You know, like someone has said, life is only understood looking backward but living forward. So, this coming year, I want to be content, intentional, and present. I want to feel happy and pride in the task that I do, even the mundane ones like making my bed or sipping that hot cup of coffee in the morning. I want to be kind and loving towards me and to everyone else around me. So, thank you, 2020. Here's to hoping that better things are coming. Just finished making a reel. So that is why this, because I wanted to do the space girl wala dance. And so I have turned myself into a somewhat similar to a space or eagle. So yeah. Anyways, I wanted to share my favorite or the highlighted moments of 2020. First, the year started with me going to the Venice festival, carnival I mean, and it was amazing. हमेशा से ही बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ में इतनी बारी वेनिस को देख के मैं गूगल में मैं सोचती अरे मैं जाऊँगी एक बारी, तो वो हुआ and it was amazing. It was very good. I loved it. It was so different. I have never seen anything in my life, so it was an amazing experience. The Venice Festival was I think 23rd or 24th of Feb, and uske turant hi, like you know, I went back home because of the lockdown in Milan and Italy. So I went back in March, first week, I think second or third को ही मैं घर पहुँच गई थी, and it was very nice क्योंकि हम बहुत टाइम बाद हम सब घर पे साथ में थे, क्योंकि उससे पहले या मैं पढ़ रही थी, फिर मैं जॉब कर रही थी, फिर भाई पढ़ने चला गया, तो नेवर ऐसा हुआ कि लास्ट 6 years में कि हम इतने टाइम के लिए सब एक साथ थे, तो it was so nice. Oh my god. हाँ, तो yeah, and March में me and my brother we also gave Ma a surprise birthday party, and yeah, that was also very cute. She was so happy. And then April में it was बिहू. मैं बहुत टाइम बाद बिहू में घर पे थी, although मैं वैसा बिहू नहीं मनाना चाहूँगी. I will eat so much more than just eating food, but then at least counting the little things in life, I got to hog on a lot of pithas, so can't complain. Also, April May I started doing yoga. That was the first time when I did yoga and tried yoga, I mean, and uske baad to I have fallen in love with it. Anyways, okay, May I started reading books, and oh my god, this is one of the most amazing thing that happened to me in 2020. मेरा लास्ट ईयर का गोल था कि मैं 12 बुक्स पढूं एटलीस्ट, और गेस व्हाट, आई सरपास दैट. आई मीन हमेशा हर साल में ना बुक्स के गोल्स रखती हूँ हमेशा से, बट कभी मेरे पूरे नहीं होते. इस बारी मैं उसको पीछे छोड़ रही, एंड आई एम so happy about it. So yeah, I felt in love with reading again, and it is a very big thing for me. And okay, also in May I did cut my own bangs. Will I do it ever again? No. Never. But yeah, everything has a first time. But and then June में I did, oh by the way, if you're thinking कि मैं ऐसे क्यों देख रही हूँ, that is because I have a list, क्योंकि सब कुछ तो याद नहीं रहेगा ना obviously. June was the time when I was doing my final project from my university, so I was quite occupied with that, I remembered, and but it was my last project, so I was giving all my heart and soul into it, and there were a lot many Netflix parties and video calls, so that. July में we gave Papa a birthday bash, and I think बहुत साल बाद हम ऐसा कर लेते, मतलब मम्मी तो चलो फिर भी अपने बर्थडे पे कुछ कर लेती है अपने फ्रेंड्स से, पापा इज not at all into birthday. So this time, because we were all there at home, it was amazing. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, August में it was Rakhi, and I think after 6 years मैं physically भाई को राखी बांध रही थी, and it was so much fun. I wore a sari and he wore kurta and all. It was, and I made this dance. So I loved it. And उसने मेरे को अच्छा गिफ्ट भी दिया, उसने मेरे को 2 बुक्स दिए थे, तो या. ऑल्सो इन अगस्त आई रीच 10K ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, एंड वाओ दैट उस दिन मतलब कैसा, आपको पता है एक्चुअली हमेशा से मेरे को लगता था ये काश बस मैं 10K पहुँच जाऊँ, बट ओ माई गॉड, पहुँचने के बाद मेरे को लगा फॉक, इतने सारे लोग, इट वाज. But anyways, उसके बाद सितंबर में I came back to Milan and I started my internship. So it is a very good opportunity for me, and I'm very grateful that I got it. So yeah, start of something good. October में I celebrated my birthday. It was quite low key this year, but still I enjoy my birthday. And मैं अपने बर्थडे को एक इवेंट कंसिडर ना करूँ, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. तो हाँ, एंड ऑल्सो इन अक्टूबर से पहले मैं K-drama वर्जिन थी, एंड ओह माई गॉड, व्हाट अ वर्ल्ड. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई वाज अवे फ्रॉम इट फॉर सो लॉन्ग. आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, बट अगर आप मेरे सामने ऐसे होते हैं तो मैं तो आपको फोर्स कर चुकी होती अब तक देखने के लिए, अगर आपने नहीं देखी है तो. But I think you should watch it. It is such a cute place, escaped to be. And November May I officially graduated. I got my master's degree and I got a very good grade, which I was very happy about, and I was very happy to see as a proud moment in my parents' eyes. So yeah, it was amazing. So all in all, good year. Anyways, that's all. The sun is hitting my face. I mean, I wanted this in my frame, but अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, and I can't keep my eyes open. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching the videos. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो you know the drill. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. That will mean the world to me. Thank you. And if you like the video, please do press the like button. ठीक है? शुक्रिया. Anyways, that's all. Do not forget to smile, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.